What's your name?
My full name is MD Pardut Musharraf Prani. My family members and friends call me Pardes. I prefer you may call me Parkes.
Mr. Parvez. How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
Do you have any best friend?
Yes, I have one best friend. His name is MD Reza Babu and he's from Bogota.
Why do you like your best friend?
I like many several reasons for my best friend because he help us when I face a difficult and he help us for my study and every time I share my future plan and he also help us and motivated me in this session.
Do you think that every person needs a best friend?
Yes, I think every person should need a best friend because many times we face many difficulty and many time we face many stress. That time as a best friend he help us and he motivated me.
Have you ever faced a heavy traffic jam?
Yes, I face heavy traffic jam in Dhaka city. When I came Dhaka city, that time I face around 1 hour traffic jam.
Do you like reading newspaper?
Yes, sir. I like reading newspaper because when we read a newspaper, that time we face many new words and we know many new words and vocabularies. It help us to speak English and also it help us to know many unknown things. That's why I read newspaper.
Well, do you often see the news on your mobile phone?
Actually, sir, I don't see news in my mobile phone because right now I'm a student at Rahat English Care. I don't have enough phone.
Do you think that achieving general knowledge is important for everyone?
Yes, sir. I think everyone should achieving general knowledge because when I go anywhere, that time it's very helpful for me and others. And when we communicate any another person, and it also help us.
Well, and have you ever tried to get a government job?
Actually, sir, right now government job is very difficult to achieve, and I prefer to don't waste your time for government job. I prefer you choose another jobs
Another
like
job.
private jobs.
Okay. Do you often chat with your friends on Messenger or on WhatsApp?
Yes, sir. Every day I chat with my friends, Messenger or WhatsApp.
Have you ever sent a message to the wrong person?
Actually, sir, I don't face this moment.
Or have you ever dialed to a wrong number?
Yes, sir. When I call my friends and family members, that time we mistake one numbers and called another person and he said is wrong number.
Okay. How do you feel when someone doesn't listen to you?
I feel very bad, sir, because when I speak anything that time he don't listen. That time I feel I'm not a valuable person for you.
Do you prefer a laptop or a computer?
So I prefer laptop because it's easy to carry and we use anywhere. That's
Anyway,
why I like.
how many cups of tea do you usually drink every day?
Actually, sir, I take one cup of tea every day.
This is
Thank you,
the
sir.
end of your speaking test, and may Allah give you a bright future ahead.
Thank you, sir.